Imagine you borrowed money from someone you deeply respect. Maybe it is your grandmother, maybe it is your best friend, maybe it is a mentor who believed in you when nobody else did. You wouldn't just throw that money away on risky bets, right? You wouldn't gamble with it. You would protect their investment like it was your own. Actually, you'd probably treat it even better than your own money because you don't want to let them down. That is exactly the mindset you need to have when trading with a funded account. The problem with traditional funding, if you don't have money to substantially fund a trading account, you are stuck with two options. Either you grind away trying to save up thousands of dollars, which could take months or even years, or you go through the funded account challenge process. And let me tell you, that challenge process is brutal. You have to pass the funded account challenge for 30 days. Then you pass it again for another 30 days. That is 60 days minimum before you even see $1 of profit. If you don't have time for that, if you don't want to sit through 2 months of pressure just to get access to capital, I've got good news. FundProp now does instant funding accounts, which is freaking awesome because you are instantly funded. You don't have to pass the challenge. You get access to capital immediately. Why a $5,000 account changes everything. So what I am going to do in this video is actually buy an instant funded account. I am going to get the smallest one, the $5,000 account, because that is a decent trading account. Especially for people that don't live in America, a $5,000 trading account is life-changing. If you trade it properly, you can get livable income off of that in other countries, just because of the currency conversion. Let's say you live in Bali, somewhere in the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, any of these places with a lower cost of living. If you can pull just 5% a month off that account, that is $250 a month. In a lot of these countries, that is enough to cover rent and food. That is stellar. That is freedom. My challenge to myself, so here's what I am going to do. I am going to show you exactly how this works. I am going to trade this account live, and then all next week or the next 2 weeks, however long it takes me, I am going to show you videos of me trading this every single day. I am going to keep going until the profit that I make exceeds the price that I paid for it. That is the goal. Cover the cost first, then everything after that is pure profit. Setting up the accounter, that is pure profit. So I am going to do the 90% profit share option. It makes it a little bit more expensive, but you get way more percentage of your earnings. So it is worth it, and I don't need a swing account because I'm not going to be holding trades overnight usually. I am a day trader. I close everything before the market closes. I am going to do a $5,000 account. It is the instant funded account. And I am going to do it on MetaTrader 5 because it is easier for me on my phone. So I am going to use my coupon code. TMA15 is going to get you a discount. That gives you a 20% discount. So instead of paying $90, you'll pay $71. And you can use crypto, PayPal, credit cards, whatever. Sweet what you get. As you can see, now I have a 5K instant funded account on MetaTrader 5 with a 90% profit share. Basically, anything that I make on this, I will get 90% of the profits. And the payouts are every 2 weeks. So just like a normal job. The goal at first is simple. Just cover the amount that I paid for the account. Since it only cost me $71, I only need to make like 1.5% to break even. I want to show you guys that it is possible to start trading without needing $5,000 in your own account. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be smart and disciplined. The golden rule, treat it right, but please be cautious with this because you are trading somebody else's capital. I want you to treat it like you are borrowing money from someone you deeply respect. Someone who believed in you, someone who trusted you with their hard-earned money. You don't want to disrespect that trust. You don't want to be reckless. You want to protect that investment. They're investing in you just like any bank would invest in a new startup. You have to generate revenue so that they get a benefit and you get a benefit. It is a partnership. So FundProp is now your partner. They gave you capital. You got to manage it well. You got to be good to them. Follow the journey. I'll be posting updates on this account every single day on my Telegram channel, which is linked down below. You'll see every trade, every win, every loss, complete transparency. And again, to get the discount, use code TMA15 and you'll save 20%. It is a slammin' deal and you get funded today instead of waiting to pass a challenge. Let's see if we can turn this $71 investment into consistent profits. See you in the next one.